Welcome back. You're still with me. Wanted to thank everybody. Last night turned over 100,000 subscribers, and this morning we're at 100,100 subscribers already. 100 subscribers overnight. So today starts another tile job, which is the backsplash for the kitchen that I installed the countertops on. If you've been following along, you know that there are 5 different tiles that go in this pattern, but there's not supposed to be a pattern. It's supposed to look completely random. Yay. Then another kicker is there is a 3.5 centimeter offset. Not a staggered, not up and down, but 3.5 centimeter offset. I'm only charging $2,700 to do this backsplash, and I forgot about the 5 different patterns. I had already 5 different colors. I would have bumped it up another $400 just to mess around with creating a random pattern with 5 different tiles. Looks right. Amazing. thick. Too thick on that end. Things are going smoothly so far. Knock on wood. Just making my way up this side here and this side here, and hopefully they connect over here. If they don't, I've got a few tricks to get them to match up on this side. Time for a little snack. Getting a little groggy. It is 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Apparently there's a football game because it was really warm out today. People got their doors open. I hear screams. Yeah! Coming from the street. It's kind of funny. I'm guessing it's a football game. January 20th. I don't know who's playing. Haven't watched a single football game this entire year. I really need an energy drink. But I'm not going to do it. A lot of people are still asking business questions, which is okay. But I'm going to refer you to the other YouTube channel, the Handyman Business. I will put that link in the description. So far, I've been doing live streams, which is just question and answer. Going forward, I'm going to start doing some videos on your questions. Just one of your questions. It's a good question. I'll take 5 to 10 minutes and give you my experience in that area. That's really all I have to base my answers off of, is what's worked for me and what hasn't worked for me. So check that out, the Handyman Business. Link in the description. Now I'm down to the last hour, so I gotta stay focused and keep going so that this is done tomorrow. 100% done. I'll just be punching things out, replacing the outlets. That's another thing. I can't have all those outlets hanging out tonight, so I got to get them kind of temporary stuck back in place. All right, back to work.